Do you sometimes wake up feeling worried and anxious about the tasks that you have to accomplish throughout your day? Then this video is for you. Hi, this is Sharif Sagar. I am a life and happiness coach. Friends, today I am going to talk to you about 4 simple tips that will help you to fix up your morning routine and cut down the negativity right at the start of the day so that you have a wonderful day ahead accomplishing all your tasks for that day. But before we begin, first of all, let me tell you, the way you start your day from the moment you wake up sets the precedence for how the rest of your day and ultimately how the rest of your life will go. And this is the reason why creating morning habits is very beneficial for both our body and our mind. But sometimes it is not possible to have a positive attitude the first thing in the morning, especially when you have a hectic day before you. It is very easy for you to slip into the worried mindset considering your to-do list. And this is the reason why today I have come up with 4 simple tips that will help you to fix up your morning routine and cut down the negativity right at the beginning of the day so that you have a wonderful day ahead. So let's dive into our 4 simple tips. Tip number 1, eliminate your negative thoughts. Friends, the first thing that I want you to do in the morning is absolutely eliminate your negative thoughts. Because friends, they are not going to get you where you want to go in your life. Instead, always look for better feeling thoughts. Because when you eliminate all your negative thoughts and think something positive, you will attract more positive things in your life. For example, let's say think yourself as a radio station. And if you want to listen to some jazz music, what will you do? You will turn your dial to the jazz station and not some other station, right? Similarly, tuning your thoughts and feelings to positive frequency will bring you more positive things in your life. So this is the importance of eliminating all your negative thoughts first thing in the morning. Now let's move to our tip number 2. Do not think about what could go wrong. Friends, I don't want you to immediately think about what could go wrong with the things that you have to do for that day. Don't think about will you get the parking space or not, will you reach on the meeting at time or not. Instead of that, I want you to close your eyes every morning and visualize your day exactly the same way that you want it to be. You can visualize you're getting a good parking space, you're reaching at your meeting on time, you're having a wonderful meeting and so on. Your day is going exactly the way you want it to go. And friends, isn't it good? Instead of thinking what could go wrong, you are visualizing that how all things would go right. Now let's move to our tip number 3. It is start your day with a purpose. Friends, the third thing you shouldn't do in your morning routine is do not start your day without knowing your bigger purpose. You should know what is your higher purpose, why you are doing what you are doing, why you are getting out of your bed the first thing in the morning. It simply means that after visualizing your day, visualize your bigger and long-term goals coming true. And friends, when you do this consistently, your subconscious mind will find different things, people, events or activities that will help you to achieve your goal and live your dream life. So please start your day with a higher purpose in your mind about your why you are doing what you are doing. It will really help you a lot. Now here comes our 4th and the final tip, which I use in most of my videos, which is my most favorite one, and that is remember to be grateful. Friends, it's very easy to get up, jump right into working on getting the things done and forgetting about the things that have brought you to this moment. A state of appreciation and being grateful will put you to one of the highest emotional state possible. And when you are into one of the highest emotional state, it will surely help you to have a wonderful day ahead. It will surely help you to have an amazing start of your day. So friends, this was all about today's video. I would highly encourage you to eliminate all the negative thoughts first thing in the morning. Please don't focus on what could go wrong, instead focus on what could go right. You can visualize your day exactly the way you want it to go. Focus on your larger purpose and your long-term goals. And don't forget to spend few moments each and every day to focus on all the things that you are grateful for. And friends, if you do this, I assure you that you will see dramatic and big positive difference in your day and ultimately in your life. So see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care and namaste.